Welcome everybody. Today we are going to discuss a chapter 9 class. Lines and angles. Today we are going to discuss a chapter lines and angles. Chapter 6. Chapter 6. Lines and angles. Lines and angles. Now we are going to discuss number 1, first number. L, M, parallel to each other. L parallel to M. T is transversal. T is transversal. There are 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 angles. Given angle 2 equal to 65. We will find out all 7 angles. Dear students, now we are going to find out all 7 angles. L is parallel to M, T is transversal. There are 8 angles, but angle 2 is given 65 degree. We are going to find out all 7 angles. How can we find out? Given angle 2 equal to 65 degree. 65 degree. Angle 2 is given. Angle number 1 plus angle number 2. Angle 1 and 2 equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair. L is a straight line. T, here T, this line is ray. Let this point is P. PT is a ray. Angle 1 plus angle 2 makes a linear pair. Sum of 2 linear pairs are just an angle. 2 linear pair 180. Sum is 180. Angle 2 is given 65. That implies angle 1 plus angle 2 is 65 equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 equal to 180 minus 65, that equal to 115 degree. Angle 1 is 15 degree. That implies angle 2 is 65, angle 1 is 115 degree. Now point 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 2 equal to angle 4. Why? Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Angle 1, angle 3. Angle 4, angle 2. Vertical opposite angles. These are vertically opposite. We know that all vertical opposite angles are equal. That implies angle 1 equal to 115 degree. Angle 3 equal to also 115 degree. Angle 2 equal to 65 degree. Angle 4 equal to also 65 degree. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4. चारटा angle आएगा. 1 equal to 3, 2 equal to 4. Now proceed further. Angle point 3. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Angle 1 equal to angle 5. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. Further, these angles are corresponding angle. All corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles. corresponding angles. That implies angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 1, angle 5 equal. That implies angle 5 equal to 115 degree. Do you understand? Similarly, angle 2 equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is given 65 degree. That implies angle 6 also 65 degree. Now angle 5, angle 6. Find out here. Now 8 and 7. How can we find out? 0.4. Angle 4 equal to angle 8. Angle 3 equal to angle 7. These 4 angles also. These 4, 8, 3, 7 correspond. That implies angle 4 equal to angle 8. Of 4 angle equal to 2. Angle 2 is given 65, that means angle 4 is 65. Angle 4 equal to 65 means angle 8 equal to also 65. That implies angle 8 equal to 65. Similarly, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Similarly, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Vertically opposite. Angle 1 and angle 3. Angle 1 is 115 degree. That implies angle 3 also 115 degree. 3 equal to 7. That implies angle 7 equal to 115 degree. In this way, now we got all 8 angles. Sabu attangu angle find out. Complete. Now we are going to proceed number 2. Another number. Number 2. Question number 2. What is given? This is a triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. Here is a line XY. XY. XY is parallel to BC. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. XY parallel to BC. XY parallel to BC. Prove curve. That is prove curve. We will to prove. We will to prove angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. Prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. That means sum total of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We know that. We know it very well. But now we are going to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180. Sum of 3 angles of a triangle 180. How can we prove it? Proceed. Prove. How can we prove it? 1, 2, 3. Another 2 angles, 4 and 5. This one 4, this one 5. Now, angle 4 equal to angle 2. Why for? XY is parallel to BC and FD is transversal. That means angle 4 equal to angle 2, alternate interior, alternate angles, alternate interior, alternate interior, alternate interior angles. Similarly, angle 5 equal to angle 3. alternate interior. Alternate interior. Alternate interior. Here XY parallel BC. XY parallel BC. SC is transversal. SC is transversal. Listen to me again. XY parallel BC. XY parallel BC. FB is transversal. FB is transversal. XY parallel BC. And AB is transversal. FB transversal. XY parallel BC, AB transversal. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. Alternate angles. Similarly, XY parallel BC, SC is transversal. Angle 5 equal to angle 3. Equation number 1. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. Angle 5 equal to angle 3. Equation 1 and equation 2. Proceed further. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Now, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180. But angle 4, angle 1, angle 5. All the three angles, angle 1, angle 4, angle 5. 4, 1, 5. All the three angles lie on same straight line XY. Same straight line XY. That implies all the three angles sum 180. Angle 4, we can use the equation 1 and equation 2. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. Angle 4 jagare angle 2 would work. Angle 1 remain unchanged. Angle 5 equal to angle 3. Angle 3 would work. 180. Proof. In this way, we proved angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Sum of three angles of a triangle ABC is 180. Do you understand? Now, we are proceed another number. Number 3, question number 3. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. This is your exterior angle of B. This is your interior B. This is your exterior B. Similarly, this is your exterior angle C. This is your interior angle C. Exterior angle B, we are going to draw bisector. Another bisector. Intersect each other at O. So then what given? Exterior BO and CO. BO and CO are exterior bisector of angle B and angle C. But we will prove, one proof kariye we are going to prove two proof. We are going to prove BOC angle. BOC. This angle is your BOC. BOC. BOC angle. This angle we are going to prove BOC equal to 90 minus half angle A. 90 minus half. Then proceed how we can prove it. Proceed. Prove. that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Yes or no? Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Angle B, angle A, angle C. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Sum total of three angles of a triangle 180. That implies half of angle A plus half of angle B plus half of angle C equal to half of 180. That equal to 90. Yes or no? Half angle A, half angle B, half angle C equal to half 180. That equal to 90 degree. This is your equation 1. Proceed further. We have to prove BOC equal to 90 minus half angle A. BOC equal to 90 minus half angle A. यहाँ पर prove करियर अच्छी. बस. This is your exterior angle. Exterior angle कौन? X Y CBX is your exterior angle. Is an exterior angle. CBX. We know that exterior angle is the sum of two interior opposite. That means this angle is sum of angle A plus angle C. Angle A plus angle C. Similarly, another exterior angle BCY is the another exterior angle, and this exterior angle is the sum of two interior opposite. Opposite माने ता opposite रे. This angle रो opposite क्या होती है? Angle A plus angle B. Half of CBX रो जब हमें half नवा CBX रो half. ना माने CBX रो A angle half equal to half A plus half C. Similarly, half of BCY equal to half A plus half B. So the full angle that CBX equal to A plus C, then half of CBX equal to half A plus half C. Similarly, BCY, half of BCY angle that equal to half A plus half B. Now, in triangle BOC is a triangle. In triangle BOC, half of B. This is your half of B. Half of B, no? That is half in a triangle BOC. This is your triangle. This angle is half CBX. CBX ए एंगल रो पूरा एंगल रो ये जेहेतु बाइसेक्टर ये तार होता प्लस हाफ दिस एंगल हाफ BCX हाफ BCY not BCX BCY put the value half this angle plus BOC equal to 180. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. This angle plus this angle equal to 180. Half of CBX means this angle, half CBX. Half A plus half C plus BC extra half BCY not BCX BCY equal to half A plus half B plus BOC equal to 180. Now put the value half A, half B, half C. Half A plus half B plus half C plus half A, half B, half C. These are three angles. Plus sum plus half A, half angle A plus BOC equal to 180. Put the value of half A, half B, half C equal to half A, half B, half C equal to 90 degree. Then put the value of 90 plus half A, 90 plus half angle A plus BOC equal to 180. Then that implies BOC equal to 180 minus theta means right side minus 180 minus 90 minus 100. 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 minus half. Proved. Proved. Yes or no? That implies this angle plus BOC equal to 180 nale proof hegala BOC this angle equal to 90 minus half. Finished. Number 3 complete. It is a very critical number, but very important. Number. Next number 4. Number 4. What is given? A, B, C is a triangle. All of three extended angles. This angle 1. This is your angle 2. This is angle 3. We have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 360. How can we prove it? Angle 1 extended angle, angle 2 another extended angle, angle 3 another extended angle. Three sides AB, BC, SC. Three sides of a triangle. A three sides triangle in diagonal sides there are three extended angles. We are going to prove three extended angles of a triangle. Three extended angles of a triangle. Sum is 360. How can we prove it? Listen to me. 1. Let 1, 2, 3. Let another three angles. 4, 5, and 6. Now prove. Angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 180. Why for? Linear pair. Angle 2 plus angle 5 180. Also linear pair. Angle 3 plus angle 6 180. Linear pair. 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. All 6 angles are there. 6 angles. Sum. Add what? Add all the 3 interior angles and the 3 exterior angles. Sum kale kon asibo? Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180, 180, 180. 3 into 180. 540. Sum of 6 angles, 540. But we know that, sum of 3 angles of a triangle, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6. This much. Plus another 3 angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 500. Angle 4, 5, 6 take together. Angle 4, 5, 6 take together. All 3 angles sum is 180 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 500. We are going to find out 1 plus 2 plus 3. That means, that implies angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 540 minus 180. That is equal to 360 degrees. Do you understand? In this way we prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, sum of 3 angles, sum of 3 exterior angles of a triangle is 360. Next number. Number 5. The figure is given. This line PQ RS, PQ parallel to RS, PQ parallel to RS. This angle is given 100 degree. This angle is given 120. We will find out. We will find out QTR. QTR. This angle. How can we find out? जब हमें ये एंगल का बात करें, इस एंगल बहुत वे अच्छी गोटे इजिएस्ट वे कहते इजिएस्ट वे आम केमती फाइंड आउट करवा फाइंड आउट QTR गोटे कंस्ट्रक्शन करके फाइंड कर कंस्ट्रक्शन ड्रॉ XY पैरेलल टू PQ और RS. PQ X construction draw XY parallel to PQ. Draw XY parallel to PQ. XY parallel है तो PQ parallel XY and the QT is transversal. Transversal. That means this angle plus angle 1 equal to 180. PQT plus angle 1 equal to 180. Right? Same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Same side of transversal. Interior angles, same side of the transversal. Same side of transversal. That implies angle PQT is given 100. That implies angle 1 equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80. Similarly, RS parallel to XY. RS is the parallel to XY. And RT is the transversal. This angle and this angle. TRS, this angle, TRS and plus angle 2 equal to 180. Interior angle, same side of the transversal. This one is your transversal, interior. Same side of the transversal. Same side of transversal. That implies angle 2 equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60 degree. That implies angle 1 find out कर देला 80 degree. Angle 2 find out कर देला 60 degree. Now let 80 degree. Angle 1, this one 80 degree. This one 60 degree. Proceed further. Angle 1 plus QPR plus angle 2 equal to 180. Fiber, same side here. All three angles lie on same straight line. All three angles are same straight line. Straight angle. Same straight line. Put the value of 180 degree plus QTR plus angle to 60 degree equal to 180. 80 plus 60, 140. That implies QTR equal to 180 minus 80 plus 50, 140 equal to 40. You understood? Now we are able to find out QTR. QTR. Next, number 6. Number 6. What is given? PQ parallel to figure. This angle is 120. This angle is 30. This is your PQ. R S. This is your X Y. This is your point N. You have one. You have PQ parallel RS. PQ parallel RS. Find angle XMY. XMY. We are going to find out the angle XMY. This angle. How can we find the value of XMY? Look. Sorry. ଏଠି x and y फाइंड आउट କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ୍ ଦେଉଛି। କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ୍ କ'ଣ କରିବା? ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଡ୍ର କରିବା ଲାଇନ୍। Draw MT parallel to PQ. MT parallel to PQ हमें ड्रॉ करें. ड्रॉ करें. Now XMT this angle. Plot the this angle. Plot QXM equal to 180. This angle plus this angle. This angle plus this angle 180. Why for this is 2 to come? Because X cube parallel MT X7 is G transfer होता है. Two interior angles on the same side go transversal. How is 180? That implies XMT equal to 180 minus X minus QXM is 120. XMT angle equal to 180 minus 120, 60. Do you understand? XMT 60 degrees. Similarly, MT parallel to RS. Why for MT parallel RS? Because RS is parallel to PQ. If a line parallel with two other parallel lines, then all these are parallel to each other. Later, MT is third line. PQ is parallel RS. If MT is parallel with PQ, then MT also parallel to RS. Do you understand? PQ parallel RS. It is given. Construction goes MT parallel PQ. Then MT also parallel to RS. MT also parallel to RS. Then TM. This angle TN Y plus M Y S M Y S equal to 180. Why for 180? Same side of the transversal. This line is parallel to this line. This one is the transversal. Same side of the transversal. Same side. Interior angle. Same side of a transversal. That implies TMY equal to 180 minus ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆମକୁ ବାହାର କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. This is your 30 degree. ଆଉ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଭର୍ସାଲ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ଏଇଟା 30 ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ବି 30 ଆସିବ. କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. This is your alternate angles. It is your transversal. These lines are parallel. Parallel lines and transversal. There is alternative interior angle. 180. ଆଉ ଏଟା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. Not necessary at all. ଜମା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. ସିଧା ଲେଖିଦିଅ. MT parallel to RS and MY is transfer. That implies MYR is MYR equal to this angle equal to YMT. Why for these are alternate interior. These two angles are equal. This is given 30, that means alternate interior. alternate integer. That implies YMT equal to 30 degree. Now XMT plus TMY equal to XMY angle, ये कि 120 plus कितने बात है हमारा 60 plus 30 that equal to XMY equal to 60 plus 30 equal to 90 degree. XMY equal to 90. Do you understand? These are the problems belongs to chapter number 6, angle, lines and angles. In another class, we will discuss more numbers belong to this chapter. Now it is this much for all my nice students. Further, we discuss the chapter again, rest numbers. ठीक अच्छे एबे एंड करवा भावुची नंबर गुड़ा तुमको इजिली बुझी हम जदि किसी प्रोब्लेम हुए देन प्लीज आस्क।